ang medyo problema po dito, because for example, eto na ngayon, eto official record, but of course, it does not reconcile with the records of custom, yung January to December. For example, Mr. Chairman, in the case of yung biggest, Horizon, no? Horizon. Yung stock capital is only 1 million. But, as per record, 190,999.45 metric tons, no? Pinasok ng Horizon with only 1 million stocks capital. Now, but in the case of River Valley Distribution Incorporated, yung ipinasok nila 140 lang, pero yung stock capital is 6,250,000. Bakit ganun? And so on and so forth, marami po to. Bakit ganun? Parang favored tong Horizon na to.
Yes, Director Glenn.
Di ba? Lahat naman sila nakapasa.
Apo, sir.
Oh.
Sir, actually, yung sa favor po, hindi ko po alam kung...
No. Kayo nag-issue ng permits, di ba?
Apo, sir, kasi online po yan, sir.
Hindi, whatever. But of course, you don't check. You said a while ago when you were asked by Chairman Hakop, yung unang tanong mo, hindi nyo sinecheck. But binago mo ang statement
And
mo.
then, sir, for every application...
Patapusin mo muna ako.
Sorry.
Yes,
You
Director Glenn,
wait
please.
to be recognized.
Direct Glenn, yes. Can we please allow our members to first finish before
Ikaw,
you...
last Congress ka pa. Ito Chairman, ang hindi ko maintindihan, again, no, yung ibang applicants or importers, napakalaki ng stock capital. Pero yung Horizon, which is only 1 million, kanina nga, chinek ko, nakalimutan ko lang, RBS ata, o yung si ma'am kanina na taga-Iligan, nandito pa ba siya? I do believe more than 20 million. Yung sa kanya, 27.5 ata million. Oh, why that is so? Director Pangiliban, bakit po ganon? Kayo po nagbibigay ng quota, di ba? Who gives the quota?
Yes, okay. Now, Director Glenn, may we get a response?
Sir, una po, sir, wala pong quota. Wala pong quantity na kinokota ang BPI, sir. It's an open importation po. That's why hindi po natin ito pwedeng bigyan ng quantity kung ilan po ang ibibigay kung kanino at kung saan.
So, walang control?
Sorry, sir.
Ibig sabihin, walang control? May target tayo na di ba? Dapat, ito yung consumption, projected consumption, ito lang yung importation dapat na mangyari. Ito yung stocks natin sa local. O who gives the actual amount o actual volume? Wala?
Yes,
Sir, again, ano po siya? Open po ang importation.
Hindi nga
Liberal
ang
po
tanong
yun.
ko nga, who? Pwede ba umabot tayo more than the projected consumption and the allowable importation for that year? Di ba dapat may projected tayo, Mr. Chairman?
Yes, Direct
Diba?
Glenn.
Sir, again po, sa pag-i-issue po ng SPSIC, wala po tayo, sir, quantity na nililimit, sir. Dahil po nasa batas po iyon na wala po
Hindi, pero ang tanong ko,
restriction.
Mr. Director Glenn Pangiliban, what if, dahil wala kayong quota, what if kung it goes beyond with the projected consumption? Or short? Oh. Wala bang control ang gobyerno? DA.
Yes.
Mr. Chair?
Yes, you say, Chris.
Sir, yung original RTL, wala na, tinanggal na kasi yung quantitative restriction, so open. But for this amendment ng RTL, there's doon sa na-submit na enrolled na, ewan ko, kung hindi ko alam, sir, kung nabibito or what, may power ang president if there's an oversupply of import or may mga yung may problem on the prices as well as the supply due to over-importation. Ngayon, meron na the President can order stoppage of imported. Pero before, sir, wala siyang...
Hindi, you are not answering my query. Kasi every year may projected tayo, di ba, na consumption of rice.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ito yung local natin, projected din na local produce
Yes, sir.
rice.
Yes, sir.
Ito yung supposedly for importation.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, who controls the importation?
We cannot,
Kung walang quota.
sir, we cannot control yung import.
So, it goes beyond with the consumption or short of the consumption?
Yes, sir.
Oh, may problema tayo.
Sir, pero yung amendment...
No. That is now the law. That is now the amended law. Previously, wala.
Wala, sir, pero hindi naman siya nangyari na, ano tawag ito? Na kinulang. Usually, we are over doon sa demand natin.
Over sa demand.
Yes, sir.
Eh, ba't ang presyo hindi mo bababa? Kung law of supply and demand susundan natin. Di ba? Eh, binagsak pa natin yung tariff. Worst is, kung yun yung logic nyo, yun yung explanation nyo, walang control, eh di much more. So sobra ka na nga, binagsak mo pa yung tariff, malalong lalaki, hindi naman bumababa yung market price.
Mr. Chair, that's why the DA requested yun sa amendment ng RTL para magkaroon ng intervention ng government if magkakaroon ng oversupply of importation.
Director Glenn, ito yung record nyo for 2024, ang lahat na nag-import is 199 companies. Dumaan to lahat sa inyo?
Sir Chairman,
Yes, please
sir, pwede pong
respond.
Sir, pwede i-check ko muna yung data. Sir, hindi ko po alam kung ano po ang hawak ni Congressman.
Okay, Kongkaraps.
Okay. Pero yung hawak kong data, January to October lang po is 199 companies, importers. Now, big sabihin nito, dumaan sa customs, doon pumasok because of the accreditation ng BPI. Tama? Di ba? Tama?
Yes, Director Glenn.
Sir, again, hindi ko po nakita yung list, but kung ito po ay dumaan formally...
You check your record na
Apo.
for this year.
Yes, sige, please check, Director Glenn.
Sa customs to 2024, ilang companies bang pumasok?
Yes, before I recognize Commissioner Bien, Kongkaraps, your time has lapsed. May we request that
Chairman,
yes,
okay, Chairman, anyway, hintayin ko lang yung sagot. Pero,
Yes, sige.
Chairman, can I ask lang doon sa mga requirements na hiningi natin kanina? For example, ano na ngayon, DTI, ano na ba yung latest development doon sa Iligan? Is it true?
Yes, sige, DTI.
Mr. Chair, we received report that yes, they're selling rice at 36 pesos per kilo.
30?
36 pesos per kilo.
36? Oh,
Yes.
kita mo, pwede pala.
Pero Mr. Chair, meron din pong iba na 40, 42.
Of course, but ang sinasabi ko lang, maybe that's 25% or 15%, di ba? Di ba?
From Myanmar.
Oh, di ba? But nagsasabi ko lang na itong si Iligan, which is a 27.5 billion stock capital, nag-import dito, mas malaki pa yung iba, pero yung price doon sa baba, mismo doon sa store niya, is 36. Tama, di ba? Okay. Now, yung sa River Valley, umalis na?
Yes, Kongkaraps.
Si King Bisan.
Yes, sir, pwede po kayo
King B.
dito? The owner of King B.
King B, now, you were asked 2 hours ago about your profit.
Your Honor, sorry, we haven't compute yet.
Ha?
Di pa po na-compute, Your Honor.
Eh, 2023.
Hiningi na po sa secretary po.
Wala.
Ano po, Your Honor?
Baka hindi, bumayad ba kayo sa BIR?
May bayad po, Your Honor. May bayad po.
Oh, now, your profit, hindi mo pa rin malaman.
Inaayos po, Your Honor. Inaayos na po.
Anong inayos?
Sa 2020,
Oh, I'll give you 1 hour, kasi hindi pa kami mag-suspend.
sa 2023 po kasi, wala kami pang import ng bigay, sir. Wala kami transaction.
Pero alam mo, permit mo, from 2022 to 2024.
No operation po yun, Your Honor.
Oh, no operation. Pero sinabi mo nga, di ba, you're buying rice?
Nagkamali lang po, local po, nagkamali po ako sagot kanina, Your Honor.
Ano?
Nagkamali lang po ako sagot, Your Honor, kanina.
O, di, 1 hour, produce mo yan.
I will try po, Your Honor. I will try po.
Ano?
I will try my best po, Your Honor.
Ay,
Tapos.
huwag tayo dito maglukuhan. Nakala nyo, pwede kayong lalaro dito sa amin?
Sir, anyway, 1 hour.
You
Hintayin po
produce
namin.
it in 1 hour.
Hintayin po namin yon. So, 6:05 po ngayon. Mag-check po kami ng 7:05.
I will try po, Your Honor.
Yung
Ah,
representative, Mr. Chairman, yung
sige.
representative ng ni Stewart Santiago, nandito kanina, di ba? Sana siya? Yung attorney,
Sir, Mr. Carl.
Mr.
Yes,
Eric?
may we request the page to please locate representative of Davao Solar, Best Food.
Anyway, tayo natin, Mr. Chairman. Kasi baka umuwi na hindi nagpaalam. At tapos, Mr. Chairman, yung sa customs, you mentioned about smugglers, pwede pagbigyan kita bukas na sa executive session na lang.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay?
About the importers, Your Honor, for year to date, 2024, 211 all categories. But if you filter out rice husks or seeds, it's about 188
188.
companies.
Okay. So may listahan tayo, lahat-lahat kompleto.
Yes, Your
Oh,
Honor.
sige. Okay.
Yes.
Bukas.
O yun,
Bukas
thank
na lang
you.
po.
Oo, para
Yeah.
executive session na lang better.
Yung sa PCC, nandito
Yes,
ba ang taga-PCC?
Yes, nandiyan pa.
Nandito, Mr. Chair.
Sir, you mentioned about case build-up kanina. Correct? You're doing a case build-up.
Yes,
And
sir.
that's on record. Now, what? Can you enlighten us? What's that case build-up?
Yes, Mr. Chair, based on, for example, news and monitoring of prices, there's a reason for us to believe that there's something wrong in the market.
Correct.
So,
Lahat naman
yes.
established na yan. Kahit si Juan de la Cruz, alam niya na eh.
Yes.
Di ba?
So, ang theories of harm, Mr. Chair, during our investigation is, yun nga, which is the same sa mga hinala nyo na may collusion po. Kailang yung collusion doon sa, for example, sa importers, wholesalers, or dealers, yun po yung sa ngayon po, pinuprove namin na dapat may ebidensya kami, solid evidence na mag-stand po sa court. Kasi sayang yun po yung effort namin na mag-file ng case tapos hindi naman solid yung ebidensya namin tapos ma-dismiss lang din sa korte, Kong. So that's why sa case build-up, dapat may ebidensya kami dun sa mga nagkukulyud sa merkado po.
Sir, so you're building a case now. Kailan po nagsimula?
Actually, since we started, for example, conducting a study since 2018,
Oh, until now, wala kayong puro case build-up lang for the past 6 years. Medyo may problema tayo dyan. PCC.
mahirap po.
When did you assume?
2016.
16 ka ba?
2017.
Sorry?
2017 po.
2017. So you started case build-up 2018. Now is 2024. That was 6 years ago. Until now, there's no case being filed. O anong... Mr. Chairman, medyo may problema tayo dito.
Sa ibang agri-products naman po, nakapag-file na naman po na kami ng case po.
Hindi, pero sa sugar at sa rice,
Yun po yung medyo mailap po yung ebidensya tungkol sa collusion po.
anong some other agri-products?
Yung sa onion po, nag-file na po kami ng case doon sa...
Kailan yung filing niya ng case?
I think 3 months ago,
3 months ago.
Mr. Chair.
result of the investigation being made by the Committee on Agriculture.
Yes, tapos nag-drone raid po kami, nag-raid po ng mga office at saka storage facilities po ng
So-
respondents.
As part of your regulatory powers, you have the power to conduct raids?
Yes, Kong, pero kailangan namin po mag-secure ng clearance or
Clearance from where?
from the court po.
From the court,
Kaya
of course.
kailangan namin ng case build-up na may ebidensya na meron kaming kaso sa isang entity kasi otherwise hindi po kami bibigyan ng inspection order po ng korte po.
O, di mga investigador niyo sa baba? Di ba? May mga investigador ba kayo? O
Meron.
wala kayo ng tao?
Meron po kaming investigation agent sa Kong. Kailangan nga sa dami ng mga kaso, kulang talaga po sa manpower po.
O, di... Daming kaso. Anyway, wala pa nga kayo na-file ng kaso sa RICE. Anyway, Mr. Chairman, can we ask the PNP? Can we invite the PNP?
So we have a representative from the Philippine National Police.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
May mga coordination ba na nangyayari dun sa, particularly dito sa smuggling of rice?
Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I have my data here, but
Please, anong assignment mo? And please,
I am assigned with the Directorate for Investigation and Detective Management, sir. The IDM po, sir. So we have on our record, sir, actually we have operations conducted jointly, sir, for Anti-Agricultural Smuggling Act or the RA 10845, sir. We have 8. But
8 for the, anong taon yan? 2024?
the duration is January 1, 2019 to November 2024, sir. And for the tariff and custom law, sir, we have 144.
44 since
Yes, sir.
2019.
Yes, sir.
Ano yan? Naka-coordinate yan sa customs? Naka-coordinate sa DA?
These are all jointly conducted operations, sir, with the concerned agency, sir.
Mga agencies?
Custom, sir. Mostly, sir, custom, sir.
Yung PCC, di pa nag-coordinate sa inyo to help them build up a case?
I'm not certain lang, sir, kung we'll try to, sir,
Oh,
to-
PCC. You coordinate with the Philippine National Police para mabilis yung build up nyo ng case. Para sa investigation until gathering. Pwede ba yun, PCC?
Yes, Kong, pwede Kong. Actually, doon sa Onion, nakahingi kami ng tulong sa NBI. Pero sa PNP po, siguro, nahingi po rin kami ng tulong po. Salamat po.
Chairman, last na lang. Kasi gustong magsalita kanina ni Mr. yung representative ng Davao Solar.
Yes, Mr. Carl?
Mr. Chair, regarding lang po kanina yung sa SEC, registered po yung Davao Solar Best Corp. Then si Nansto po dahil wala po siyang SEC kasi sole proprietor po siya. DTI registered naman po.
Yes, can we get a confirmation? Ma'am, meron na kayo? Sa DTI?
Sorry, Mr. Chair, what is the name of the company? We'll check po, parang wala pa sa namin.
Nansto Agri Traders. NANSTU Agri then Traders.
Mr. Chair, balikan ko po.
Yes, please.
The attorney, Chairman.
Yes.
So, attorney, you're representing two companies.
Yes po, Mr. Chair.
Not only solar.
Davao Solar and Nansto Agri.
So, you're representing two companies. So, you confirm that Nansto and Davao Solar is the president here is Stuart Santiago. You confirm?
Yes po, sir.
Ito, Chairman, may problema. Kasi yung solar, kay Stuart Santiago din, yun ang sto, sa kanya din. Checking on the records, nasa top 16. Pero yung record yun, January to October. Walang, sinasabi ni Director Panginiban, walang quota, hindi wala silang control, wala everything. So may problema to. Di ba?
Yes. So,
Ah,
Mr.
Mr.
Carl, one in
Panganiban, do you allow this one na the same owner or importer applying to you? Two companies, one owner?
Sir, from the accreditation po namin, opo, na-allow po siya.
Wala kayong tawag dito? Hindi nyo ba you allowed it, no? Under your guidelines?
Sir, wala naman po sa guidelines, sir, na
And you are doing the guidelines. Di ba? Di ba?
sa accreditation process po, meron po tayong prosesong
Oh,
sinusunod.
di doon pa lang. Di ba dapat na-check nyo na to? Kaya nga, tingnan mo, yung nung non-sto agri-traders, top 13. Yung isa, Davao Solar Best Corporation, number 16. A total of more than 150,000. Chairman, kung i-compute mo yung dalawa, more than 150,000 metric tons.
Maganda. Yes, Honorable Karaps, baka pwedeng makakomment ang PCC. Di ba
PCC?
napaka-dominant ng position nung dalawang kumpanya combined together?
Yes, Mr. Chair. Na-monitor na namin yung top 20. So, yun nga yung...
Since when, sir? Since when?
Ang data po namin na actually galing dito sa Bureau of Custom. Since 2022 po na data hanggang ngayon.
Okay, so,
So-
they are monitored by PCC.
Yes po.
Okay.
Kailang tiniting, siyempre, kung yung...
Yes, understandable. But
Yung
yun lang,
dominant.
maganda naman
Oo.
na express nyo sa amin yung meron kayong ginagawa. Thank you. Yes,
Chairman, last
Honorable
na
Karaps.
po, can we direct the COMSEC to get documents from the Customs and BPI from 20, all reporters from 20, nandito sa akin, top 20, 16 to 2018. So, can we direct the COMSEC to have a copy of that from 2019 to 2023? Kasi yung available data dito is only 2024.
Yes,
Mr. Chairman.
yes. Is that a formal motion?
Yeah.
Yes.
So
There's a-
move, Mr. Chairman.
Any second? Any objections? There being none, motion is approved. The COMSEC is hereby directed.
Yeah. Then, Mr. Chairman, can we also direct the Customs and the BPI with regards to records on that year, no? The actual arrival of importation of rice from the Bureau of Customs and records from the BPI.
Yes, Commissioner Bien, are you amenable to the request of the Honorable Paduano?
Yes, yes, Mr. Chair. We will submit.
Yes, thank you very much. Thank you.
Buong BPI, Mr. Chairman. Oh, kasi dapat mag-reconcile.
So, okay, Director Glenn?
Yes, sir. We
Oh.
will submit.
Okay, sige. May I just ask, for the past 5 years, nagtugma ba kayo ng customs? O parati kayong nagkakaiba ng...
Sir, wala po naman kaming hawak na ano, but we do share naman yung aming SPSICs.
Yes, I understand. Pero parati kayo, on a yearly basis, you will always balance out. Parehas kayo ng
most
ng
probably
ranking,
most
listahan.
probably nagtutugma naman, sir. But sorry, sir, hindi ko po nakikita yung listahan pa po ulit nila. So,
Okay, anyway, maganda. I think this is something that delikado 'yon, yung Director Glenn, tsaka Commissioner Bien. Pag hindi kayo nagtutugma, medyo that's kind
Ito
of
na, Chairman. Mr. Chairman, ito na lang. Kasi ang binigay sa akin ni COMSEC is for the year 2024, January to December. Ito yung sa sa customs. Di ba? Kayo, may record ba kayo? Isang lang, itong taon lang na to, January to December 2024, for example, BLY Agri. How much?
sir, may I, Chairman?
Yes, please proceed, Director.
Sir, number 1 po is yung BLY Agri nga po. BLY Agri Venture Trading. 306,159.04 metric.
Tama ba to, Customs? Parang hindi ah. BLY daw, yung top notcher. With 306?
As for our record, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, BLY AgriVenture is year to date, it's 248,000,
Oh,
Your Honor.
yeah, the difference of almost 60,000. Medyo may problema to. Kaya nga sinasabi ko, sabi kasi ni Director Glenn, nagtutugma. Isang ano lang to, isang company lang. How much more yung iba pa? I have the list of at least 199. It was confirmed. Hindi nagtutugma. Oh. May problema tayo dito, Mr. Chairman.
Yes,
And
anyway,
this problem not only happens with regards to rice. This happens with onion, di ba? And in fact, this also, I'm really mature. This will also happen to the sugar. Kasi ngayon ang sugar, farm gate price goes down. Pero yung sa market, still the same. Kaya nga may problema tayo dyan, Mr. Chairman.